Hello everyone, it's the Barabab here. I'm going for a little joyride, just chill ride. I'm a chill rider. So Leith Hill, which is not far from London at all. It's maybe like an hour and a half from where I live. So, and it's a beautiful view from there. It should be nice green lanes, a little bit of twisty turning. So yeah. Let's see where the road will take me today. I'm on my own. I didn't ride in a group. I just feel like today is me day. I'm usually a social butterfly, but sometimes I just want to go on my own. A lot of bikers out today. Oh, I did not see that. Oh, my heart. Oh yes, that is the road. This road is amazing. It's really cool. I think I need to go to the right. Yes, that's correct. So it is a quiet lane. It's not even road, it's a lane. It's very picturesque. So that's the beautiful part of the road. It's like a micro canyon. So you have all those, walls. And this little lane in the middle. Absolutely stunning. It's Saturday today, so it's very busy. Very busy with people. Wow, this is actually really cool. Trekking with, maybe camping. Surrey Hills is a beautiful area. So it's an area of outstanding beauty. That's what it's called. And there's just so many walks, so many places to see around. Like, I love to be on the bike, but sometimes it would be nice to get off the bike and actually do some trekking, but not in my city boots, that's for sure. They are not designed for walking. Imagine having a little house just somewhere here. Dream. Oh, look at that. So pink. But look at this clock. I mean, how cool is that? Absolutely amazing. I want to retire in a place like that. I'm not sure I'm in the right place. I think I'm not. Right. Let's get to... Yeah. It looks like it's the other way around. Maybe. Oh, because it's not Leith Hill, it's Newlands Corner. Of course it is. Boom. I'm actually quite damn. I see. And now something's wrong. I confused places completely. So I'm still 20 minutes away. So that's the Leith Hill, is this picturesque road, and Newlands Corner is where I wanna go. Oh yeah. Always getting lost. Right, but I found it because I remembered there were toilets there. So I just searched for toilets. Because as you can imagine, there are not many around. Good time. Oh, it's a bag I really like.